Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Apple gift card on Roblox. So if you want to use your Apple gift card on Roblox, so what you can do, the best way to do is just add your gift card, redeem it on your App Store first, so that you can add the balance to your Apple balance, your gift card. So for example, open up your App Store and then hit on your profile here on your top right, just click on it and then hit on redeem gift card. So now all you have to do is simply, you can either use your camera and take a picture of a gift card, or you can enter the code manually and then hit on the redeem option, so that your balance on your gift card will be added to your Apple balance here. So once it's up on your Apple balance, now you can simply make purchases using your balance on your gift card. So just for example, if you open up Roblox and then if you're going to make a purchase on Roblox, for example, if you want to buy Roblox, so when you hit on it, and then let's say if you want to buy, for example, I'll just choose this one, so I'm going to buy this, and if you select it, and then what happens here is it's going to ask you whether you want to purchase it. Simply hit on the purchase, and then it will be taken up from your Apple balance. So that's how you can use your gift card on Roblox through your App Store. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.